We'd always kind of questioned when we got our bill from our carriers, are these dimensions right? Are they charging us too much?
A challenge we faced when dealing with such solutions was that we were inaccurately measuring and weighing our packages.
Weight and dimensions are extremely important because we want to make sure that we have accurate data so that when we're sending your parts out to you, you're getting accurate pricing.
Whenever they were to use a recycled box, they would actually have to physically measure the box. This took time away from the number of packs they did a day, as well as it cost us money.
That's when we came across vMeasure. vMeasure made it seamless to integrate and offer technical support 24/7. Thanks to vMeasure, we've been able to cut down on financial costs, we've been able to make our clients happy, and we've been able to succeed without any financial errors.
vMeasure has been great to work with on this. They have incorporated this with our NetSuite ERP system and have made it extremely easy for us to use this. It's great to have such accurate weight and dimensions and be able to just provide our customers with the best possible shipping options out there.
The number of packs we do each day has increased because our packing staff no longer has to manually dimension the boxes, and they don't have to pick from a drop down, which causes there's sometimes errors.
vMeasure has increased our throughput and efficiency by cutting down the amount of data entry for each shipment. Every package scanned for dimensions also has a picture taken as well. This is definitely a value add.
I'd like to recommend vMeasure to any other business out there that's looking for accurate scaling and weighing options.
vMeasure has increased our productivity, decreased our packing times, and has actually taken us to the next level.
Big thank you to the team over at vMeasure for making our lives easier. You guys have really made this a simple process.